Morning. Morning, boys. Morning, bro. Sweet. How's it going, man? Good morning, Lizzie. Hi. Hello. Zerko, welcome. Good morning, bro. Sherry, how's it going, brother? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, that book is in beautiful. Tokyo Open, let's go. Yeah, bro. New day. Let's get this. Bro, Sherry, I did, bro. I loved it, man. Thank you for the suggestion, bro. It was fun. Hilarious, man. I love comedy, bro. And animation for that matter. Bro, absolutely loved it. Thank you so much, bro. I watched, I think, a couple of episodes. Um, I had my mother-in-law yesterday in the house and a cousin of theirs, so could only watch a couple of episodes, but absolutely good, man. Yeah, yeah, bro, you did tell me, man. Bro, I'm not sure why I didn't stumble upon it in the last 20 years, but very nice, bro. Bro, I feel the same, man. Good morning, bro. Amlad. This week hasn't been treating me nice, bro. Same here, man. Start of the week was nice, but getting hammered since then. It's all right, bro. We'll keep doing this. I don't know what Price wants to do here. It's taking both the ash zones at one candle, which means I'm not gonna care about either. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. So we're waiting for usual stop and zones today, boys. Good morning, bro, Abhishek. Welcome, boys. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. It's been glitching since yesterday, and also right here you can't see the what is it called? The subscriber sticker, as well as there is I don't know what that is, and that I don't know what's going on. Something is fishy with YouTube. I didn't get any notifications of something going down. Data is unreported for some dates. We're fixing this. I don't know, bro. Something is fishy. That's why the ticker is not working on the left. So just giving you a heads up. If you guys were able to see my live and the chat is working, for me, that's good for today. I'll work on it tomorrow and I'll email them on what's going on. I've never seen that happen. So at this point, boys and girls, we'll wait. We'll wait for these stop and zones to be hit. Guys, I did do some additional back testing yesterday. Let me show you, man. Because I wasn't, not that. Hold on. Yeah, this was yesterday, boys. So you remember the Ash, right? That's Ash. Aggressive stop ons. So I've been doing back testing for the last 8 months. My best friend has the data for until March this year. So since March, this is how I backtest, boys. I don't go to to a spreadsheet and put all the dates and all that stuff. My best friend does it, but not me. I try to do it simple. So how many TPs did we have? I always put one, 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 one while I'm doing it, and after that I just count them up with AI and then put it in. So 13 TPs for March, 19 SLs, and then in total, since we're doing 1:3s, so 13 into 3, whatever, minus 19 will give you the total risk to reward for the month. So that's how the data has been represented. And then it's been decent, man. Because I was doubting the strategy for the last 3 days because 6 SLs in a row, you doubt your existence when that happens. So I was like, something is fishy. Let's just do it for a year because Ash, we've done only for 6 months and then I worked on it. So 20 risk to reward for March, 7 for Feb, 22 for Jan, 7 again for December, 20, 26 for October, 17, 19, and 39 for last year, July. Bro, it works, man. I don't know what else is proof, but I was doubting the strategy as well as myself for the last couple of days. And I was like, what am I doing? Am I doing it right? Or is there anything else that I'm missing? Bro, the only thing I'm missing is patience. It should work in the long run. That's what that data suggests. So, yeah. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Joy. Market have been choppy, man. Trapping both buyers and sellers. I totally agree, bro. Yeah, man. I just thought, Shari, I just thought it was me, man. The mistake was it's just me doing some shady stuff, not taking proper trades, and I thought it was doubting myself, man. This is the usual human mentality, bro. I think. Yeah, absolutely, man. I totally agree, man. This week price action is bad doesn't mean your start is bad. True, but guys, the Ash was new, right? The aggressive stop ons. that I've been trying to do is fairly new, which I've just plugged in this week. So I was like, wait, am I jumping into something that is not perfect? It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just the fact that am I jumping the gun too soon without the right data? So for me, it's always been 1 years of data at least that gives confidence. So now that I have more than a year's worth of data, excuse me, now that I have more than a year's worth of data, now I can say that, boys, it will work, right? So I just have to trust the process and keep doing it. As you guys say, maybe just a week or whatnot, but I'm just gonna keep doing it, boys. Regardless, man. Hold on. Sai, hello, Guruji, welcome. Morning, Sai. How's it going, bro? Good to see you, man. Uh, the morning 6:30 a.m. candle wasn't friendly. It took out both the zones, so which means I can't take either. Good morning, bro. Like, how's it going, man? I'm so happy, man. So many of you guys show up before 5:45. It just shows how involved you are in trading, man. I don't know. The ticker stopped working today for YouTube. We're at 960 subs. Of all the days the ticker won't work, God, we're just 40 away from 1,000. Come on. That's not when you don't want it to work. Ticker right up here, right above my damn face. Good morning, bro. Hi. Welcome. Good morning, Dr. Kumar. Welcome, welcome. We need party once you complete 1,000 subs. Sure, bro. Let's party, man. Yeah, bro, that's been a big dream of mine, man. 1,000 subs with 4K watch hours. Yeah, because this channel, yeah, not that much of work in terms of this channel, but I've had four YouTube channels in the last 4 years. Boys, I know it takes a lot to reach that monetization mark. Yeah. So I'll be happy, man. I'll be happy for that 1,000 subs. People talk about, let's 100K is the landmark and whatnot, but every sub matters, and I'm just happy in general. Hello. Okay. You guys gonna meet, bro? I don't know what this range is, but thank God we don't have any setups for this morning because that is screwed. Bro, that's my backtest data, bro. Sai, It's just me backtesting the aggressive stop and strategy for the last year, man. It's nothing else, bro. Bro, this week is overall bad luck for everyone. My girlfriend, who has nothing to do with trading, lost 50K personal capital, bro, was it? And she got rejected from a damn university. Bro, that I'm sorry for your girlfriend, man. That's a rough week, bro. So, was it a 50K personal account or wow. And sorry about the rejection from the university, man. Oh, Pakistan rupees? Sorry, man, I didn't. Yeah, that stuff is hard, bro. Bro, but tell her that if something that she wanted all her life didn't happen, something better is going to happen, bro. So she might not see it now, but eventually she will, bro. What's the strategy of the numbers? 232 or 312? I don't understand it yet. Nat, good question. It's just a simple pattern I look for. I'm sorry, I forgot to put that on the chat today. I'm going to put it right now so that you can check it out. It's pretty easy. Trust me. Um, Hold on. I'm just going to put it in the chat and you can. You're welcome, bro. Hold on, I'm just pulling it out. There you go. Those are the links for my both my strategies. I've just put it on the chat. Guys, this is choppy at its best. I don't know, we just have to wait, like you guys said. I just thought it was me who's struggling this week because of the price action, but it turns out a lot of people are. Bro, what's your direction on Tokyo? Any updates? Bro, not yet, man. This is not nice, bro. I That's why I have wider zones today. I can't be waiting for this to be taken. I don't think there's anything in it, man. At this point, we're just waiting, bro. Abhishek, because when price moves, it moves like this. That's what it's supposed to. Bigger, bigger swings, right? But that's a very tight range. Price is just deciding to go where it wants to. At this point, man, if we put our head in, bro, it'll get chopped off. So, we're waiting, boys. You're welcome, man. Lizzie, how's it going, Lizzie? How's the trading? And how's everyone back home? All good? All I see, all I see is Wix, man. Annoying. True, bro. Me too, man. It's all, it's all Wix, bro. Usually the mornings are pretty nice, and by now we already get a setup. Excuse me. But today, I don't know. From a systematic trader, how do we look for liquidity areas? If you want to code not discretionary trading, bro, you could look for reversals, man. You can code it with five aggressive candles to either sides. Uh, so if you want to code it, um, you can have, you will call it a high if there is five candles towards the upside and five candles towards the downside. That makes a sense in terms of liquidity if you're talking about, if you want to code it. Other than that, I don't think you can, it'll be hard for you because if you consider this as liquidity, ah, I know your system will because it's just a computer. For you, you know that this is not because that's completely sideways. I don't think that has any liquidity to it. But if you want to code it in, bro, you don't want it to take smaller zones. So you want to give it specific parameters on in terms of what it goes, what it's going to, take as a liquidity zone. So five to the upside, five to the downside, or four either way might work, Sai. Move already happened in the New York session. Yeah. Yeah, bro, I agree, man. What a move. That's just yesterday. So come on, bro. Tap me in. Yeah, I'm just looking for 3 on 3. If there's any. Bro, use market structure TFO indicator once. What is that, man? It shows you highs and lows or support resistance. How does that work? Swing points and fractals. Okay, let's try that out. Guys, since we're just sitting here, we'll just try size indicator, man. Market. Is that what you're talking about, bro? For some reason, I already have it, man. That is sweet. TFO. Okay, might be in the wrong place. Market structure. Okay. Or is it not showing up? Do I have to change something, bro, Sai? Because that's not working, man. Morning, bro, Josh. How's it going, man? Use the pivot length at 3. It's already at 3, man. Yes, I will have to. We'll play with this after, bro. Good morning. Show pivots. Okay. Um. So the problem about this is, bro, Sai, you have way too many points, man. I think you'll have to, work with it and whatnot because these are very tight, bro. You can't be playing with these. So this is what a bot or an indicator brings, which a human can't. Because having these many points of reference and trying to trade with this, I don't think that's recommendable, man. Because that won't work out, bro. So you'll have to increase the probability range. Yeah, you'll have to work with that maybe 5. Yeah, even that doesn't make sense. Too many points, bro. 8? Oh, sorry. 8. Yeah, that looks a lot better, man. Sorry. Yeah, that looks a lot better. When we're talking about stop ons, right there, bro. You see the two stop ons we have drawn out? Nice. The indicator just showed out the 2 points we're looking at. Okay, this might work, Sai. Yeah, but try backtesting with that, bro, because that does make sense. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Boys, we might get a 3 on 3. right here. All right, enough playing. Let's get to work this morning. There's a 3 on 3 right there, boys. We gotta catch that thing. If price comes back, I'm going in, man. Hold on. 6, 2, 2, 8, 6, 8. 250 pips. 0. No, yeah, 0.2 lots. That's the first 3 on 3 for the morning, boys. There you go. You see that? How much was it? 0.2. Come on. So I'll be risking $50 on this. Let's see. T3, 13. Yeah, I have the order in. That's 3 on 3 right there. That's the first shot of the day, if it comes through. You guys remember, 3 on 3 is just a pattern I look for. You don't have to take this. Very low win rate. I love doing this though. Let's see, boys. Now, how do we use this indicator to identify liquidity? Bro, the number 8 third point we had actually made sense. If you have, the arrow mark that showed, you might consider that as liquidity, man. Yeah, I hope we get tapped in because, yeah. Let's see, boys. I already have an order sitting here. Hi, man. Bro, I think I should have entered here, bro, because that's the third candle done. We did get a pullback towards the entry. We'll wait though. Right now, I can't do much about it, but we'll wait for this entry, man. I don't think that has been tapped yet. Let's see if price comes back. We haven't got a good 3 on 3 in the last 20 days. We did have a 3 on 3 a couple of days ago, which ran to a 1:7 and then came back. Um, let's see, man. You use premium TradingView account, use alerts. That's better. Yeah, bro, but it's very annoying, man. Just keeps beeping, bro. Can I get that 3 on 3? I will give that out for free, man. Just wait for it, bro, in the next 2 weeks. I'm not gonna charge anything for that. My best friend built that for me. I'm gonna give it out, bro. Don't worry. Wait another 10 days, bro. I'll be out. Thank you for the patience, man. Let's see if we get tapped in here, boys. I know a stop in zone was triggered, but we can't do much about it since actually we can take a sell there if we get one. What I can't take a buy there because of this sitting right here. So I'm gonna let this be for now and watch what's happening on the other side. Okay. So that's the stop on zones that's been triggered. So yeah, that closed upwards. I can't take a buy there, man. We wait for this zone, boys. But now I'm thinking, should I have been in the trade in this wick because 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 this was done. But look at the entry, bro. Should I have got in at this point? Yeah, that's yeah, bro. I don't know. I think I saw it a minute late. Let's see. Let's see if we get tapped in. That's all there is, right? Sorry. We use premium alerts. Yeah, man, you can use alerts pro sci, but I usually don't. Fair point though, so that I don't forget, right? Yeah. Because bro, sci there's so many that comes through with 3 on 3. Look at this. I'll have to filter it manually, bro. So every time it's gonna keep beeping, and that's why I sit here like looking at the charts each second. There is again, guys, there's a couple of confluences that I also look for, which has not been disclosed in the videos. So every time it beeps, I have to go check it out and whatnot. So cleanup started killing the buyers in New York session. Thank you for understanding, Sai. Yeah, man. I actually think that should have been the entry candle, bro. Right here. 5:55 a.m., man. We missed the train, boys. Hopefully it comes back to tap us in, but that should have been the entry candle, man. The train is long gone now. It's moving past 1 is 2. Good morning, Mithun. How's it going, bro? Welcome, man. I'm gonna try dang this third setup this day when I didn't get tapped in. Yeah, bro, I understand, man. Because guys, that was the buffer, right? This candle came back. I should have seen that and entered. Yeah, dang. It's fine, man. We try our best. If we miss it by inches, so be it. I think we may not enter there because there was have to call position size and then till that trade have moved. No regret, bro. Fair, man. Good point, boss. I Yeah, yeah, true, man. We might have not entered on that candle, but let's see if we get a miracle here, bro. Come tap, spare us, and then go down. That'd be nice to see. But this is still very valid, boys, because for me, that's the zone, right? This is the buffer. I'm talking about my buffer not getting filled. That's a whole different other story. But this is the actual zone. The 3 on 3 is right here. So that being said, the 1 to 23 I caught last month was with the buffer, the exact tap to the buffer. So happens final. What final, bro, Sherry? We talking about FIFA here or? Oh, oh, nice tap. Again, I can't trade it because it's moving towards the upside. I can't trade it. You're right, bro, Sai. Exactly. 0.2% on 3 on 3, 323s, and 0.4% on the stop hunt. Exactly, man. Yeah, that's a beautiful tap. And he might give a buy here, but I can't take it because we have that open. Yeah, boys. That's that. Come on. So we were in a similar situation day before, yesterday. Same thing. 323 was sitting for a, was it a shot? Whatever. And we had another stop on trade towards the long side. Same scenario. 3 on 3 gave us an SL, but stop hunt gave a TP, which we couldn't take. That was brutal last time. Let's see what happens today, boys. I haven't been tapped in yet. Very close to being tapped in, but not yet. Finally, some movement in the market. Agree, bro. I like the movement too, man. Let's see. Guys, I risk very marginal on this. You got to understand that this is a strategy that I keep as, a hidden gem because risking high on this strategy might blow my account because of the number of SLs that gives. We have to wait for 10, 15 SLs to take a TP. So you got to risk low on this. And then if it hits, it's going to hit a home run. There's going to be somewhere between 1 to 20 to 1 to 40, right? So we're looking for home runs on this. I'm going to wait and see what's going to happen, all right? Still not tapped in. It's just playing with the entry right now. Hopefully it doesn't fall before tapping us in or because I don't mind taking SLs with 3 on 3s because I've seen the flip side to it. But I do mind not getting tapped in. Come on, man, just tap me in and do whatever you want. Mithun, that's nice, bro. I'm just gonna take a look at that. I like the quote you posted, man. Trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, and 80% waiting. The market doesn't reward those who chase, it rewards those who wait. Great morning, fellas. Love that, Mithun, bro. Great trade, man. That looks beautiful, man. Yo, if I don't get tapped in and price falls, I'm gonna be pissed. Because let me show you how close I was. That close. What? Bro, that's mean, man. That's actually mean. Just tap me in, boy. I'm stuck at this point. I might as well take in a sell. God, that sucks. Excuse me. You're welcome, bro. Good stuff, man. Use a different platform and trade both strategies, then you will have buffer. Bro, the challenge is to get a small account, pass it no matter what, just focus on that one account, right? So that was a challenge I've taken. Bro, that's gonna be the story, man. At the end of the day, I want to be preaching what I actually do. So the challenge is to just get a small account, pass it, get, payouts from it, get bigger accounts, and then go on, right? So that's gonna be the story. I'm working on the story side. I like the idea of having two accounts for different strategies, right? But finally, tap me in. Yeah. Yeah, I'm tapped in. Let's see. Let's see if this holds. Right now, all it, there goes an alert. Right now, all it has to do is hold. But I want to show you what's happening on the 5 minute. It's already given us a buy signal on the stop on strategy. Exact scenario as last time, boys. There you go. That's the stop on tap. That's the buy signal right there. And let's see what will happen, man. Let's see if this time we get lucky with C on 3. Oh, wow. Just love my life as a trader. Remember day for yesterday? I'll show you the day for yesterday scenario. Maybe the same one today. Let's see. Still in it though. Yeah, that's that. Love my life. Yeah, I'm stopped out. So let's just look at day before yesterday's, bro. It's freaking hilarious. This. Yeah, that's an SL. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in, boys. I didn't catch a trade yesterday with this. So yesterday was normal. Today's the 10th, right? 10th of July. Yeah. That's first a sell. So that's number one. I'm gonna show you what happened day before. Yeah, that should have been a long there, boys. We let fate have that one too. Uh, what was the day before yesterday? So 8th, right? 8. Yeah, right here. Same thing. Remember this, boys? That's the ash zone I was waiting for. But we had a 313 right here in 1 minute. So I was waiting for a shot here, which was something like this. Okay. That was the shot, but at the same time, got an entry with Ash. So long would have been that, but I couldn't take it, right? So same story. That's the long. That's the TP hit. But in the opposite end, there was a 3 on 3 SL hit. Couldn't take this, so gone. Yeah, that's what happened. So I think it's the same thing today. Let's see. Let's go and watch that. Yeah, so same story. Stop and tapped. Should have entered right there. Stop loss just below. Yeah, that should have been the trade. Halfway there. So at this point, boys, no point looking back at it, right? So at this point, you just think about, okay, what's next? What am I going to do if there's any other setups coming in? Um, Other than that, there's no sob stories here. I'm going to wait for other 3 on 3s or other stop ons, and let's just hope that gets filled. Good morning, bro. Sudhir, how's it going, man? How should we get trade down or up? That was a shot, bro. But this was a long, which was, bro, I can't take both because it'll blow my account with funding pips. They won't let me take accounts on the, sorry, trades on the opposite end. So you can't be in the long and a short at the same time. That's a rule breach. You'll have your account blown. So you can't be doing that, right? Look for the buy setup 4134, 4167. Yeah, Abhishek, man. Right now, I'm thinking about this zone right here. That's just been tapped. All this. Oh, I hit that here. That. And again, we're gonna fight for 630 again. This is a story that's been happening for the last month and a half, fighting with the 630 candle. Let's see if the bromance continues. So it's 618 already. We have the volume candle coming in the next 12 minutes. So I'll consider that as the ash zone. Let's look for one there. USD JPY. Yeah, why not? We have 5 minutes. USD JPY. Whoa! What? Bro, is that? Oh, thank you, man. I just forgot something very important. Today's the 10th. I'm just gonna check the calendar for today, boys. Nope. I want today, bro. What's 10, right? God. So, employment change for CAD, who cares, right? So at this point, New Zealand has a holiday. Why? I don't know what more tricky is, but they have a holiday. Sorry, man, I got sidetracked. I wanted to check news because that That is fire right there. Were you on a trade side? I mean, did you take a trade there, bro? If you were on a sell, bro, you're rich, man. What? Yeah. Getting back to reality. Looks like we could we could catch along here. I'll consider this the aggressive zone. If this doesn't get tapped, which high probably that it might. All right, let's get to this. I haven't done marking on the spot chart. That's that. That's the next zone. So I want a strong closure with this candle without tapping that to go on a buy. Um, we have another 3.5 minutes. Just got a price alert. You got a price alert, bro. Sai. Someone actually caught it, bro. Abdullah caught it, man. $60 profit on that. Phew, fire, bro. Off. You caught that move, man. So this is the scenario, right? So we should have been on a long here with the strategy stop hunt, which we couldn't take. What do we do now? Just wait for another long setup, or turns out this might be a short, so take that. I don't know. I don't know what to do here, man. Dr. Kumar has bought at 4116. Oh, that's nice. That was a good push up. That was supposed to be the trade. But right now I'm just like, what the hell am I supposed to do here? Because that should have been a trade which should have been running with the strategy itself, and now looking for an opposite trend trade. Very interesting. Looks like 3 on 3 on buy. Let me check that, bro. No man, I don't see any 3 on 3s on buy right now, but I'll let you know, bro. Thank you for the heads up. My best friend says just let's just take whatever comes. Whoever knows. So 1.5 minutes, boys. If there's a strong closer towards the downside, I'm gonna take a sell here. Right now I'm gonna lock in, so I won't be able to see the chat. Hold on. Life is a roller coaster. Holy shit. All right. If it was a sell, stop loss goes 100 pips above here. 27.37, 28.37. Right there. 650 pips. Ah, this is the candle before. All right. 650 pips. I'm looking for a sell here, boss. 0.4% of the account size. 0.15 lots. Yeah, my best friend has been hilarious right now. 10 seconds, boys. I'm in on a sell right there. Yeah, as usual, 6:30 candle is 5 minutes away. Whatever comes, right? That's what I'm on right now. Boys, not been very satisfied in terms of the price action for the last week, but I can't just ignore trades just because it's been choppy or whatnot. So we get taken out, we get taken out. There's no two ways about it. But I'll never suggest you guys take all these. Let's see. Bro, I'm on a sell, man. I don't advise people on what they should be doing, but uh, should have been on a buy there, couldn't take it. There's another setup which showed up. I took it. Whatever comes here comes, man. Yeah, 3 minutes for the next 6:30 candle. Has a lot of high volume. Let's see. Morning, bro. How's it going today? It's going good, man. Usual, bro. How are you, man? That's my brother right there, bro. Yeah, it's it's been good, brother. Low of previous four candle has been swept. Nice, bro. That's second trade for today. Love my life. Good to see you, bro. Thank you for joining, man. Always nice to see you, bro. All right, boys. That's the next zone taken. I hate doing that. Yeah. My best friend is laughing. He's asking if it's that, if that's our brother. Yeah, that's our brother, man. Don't miss out entries alongside sell side is a trap. Yeah, bro, waiting for it, man. That's the tab right there. Bro, it's Friday. Please take care of many fake candle today, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, that's been tapped on both ends. We'll wait for it. We'll wait for the next candle for the next setup. Shiv, he's saying hi to you, man. Boys and girls, that's my big brother right there. My own blood. Bro, ask me how it's going. Bro, this should have been today's trade. Should have, could have, but Fate was actually Fate had other plans. That 6:30 a.m. candle right there. So that should have been, but we couldn't catch that. Um, yeah, man, that's again same scenario as day before yesterday. Same thing when you showed up last time, bro. Yeah, but we look for anything here if it shows up. That's the stop on breach. This is the next zone. Let's see, boys. You will catch it. Yeah, bro, that's the point. We keep doing this, man. That's fine. We didn't catch this because we had a trade to the downside on a different strategy. It happens, bro. We'll keep doing it, bro. Thanks, man. Thanks for saying that, bro. So, boys, that's the next setup, man. If there's a strong closure towards the upside, I'm going to be taking that. Might be the last trade for stop hunt for today. Let's see. So I'm just going to lock in again. Again, there is a zone up here. We'll have to be very careful on that. So I'm just going to get to spot and see what's what. 6:30 counts of fun. Yeah, looking at that candle, if it's supposed to be a sell, look at the size of the stop loss. 31.26, 32.26. That's not a bad stop loss, to be honest. That's 968 pips. But it's a 6:30 candle, man. He'll keep doing this, bro. He'll keep disrupting it. One more minute. Wow, let's just keep going, man. 1,100 pips. That's the last trade for 3 and 3 today, man. 1,100. 0.09 lots. $100 stop loss. 30 seconds. 0.09, right? All right. Invoice. That's the last trade for 3 and 3. 30.99, 31.99. Oops. That's it. Whatever comes, here comes. All right. It's time to chill back again. Down, bro. Wait for confirmation. Yeah, I got my confirmation. I'm in. I'm gonna sell, boys. That's the stop point right there. So, logic behind this stop hunt swept close towards the downside aggressively in 1 is to 3. Usual. Usual suspects. That's stop loss. That's quite a big take profit. What, 3,000 pips? Yeah, that's it. Now comes the waiting part. Third side is a trap. Dollar falling rapidly. Sure, bro. Long is CT daily, weekly still bearish. Boys, I don't look at any of those DXY uh, or high time frames. I'm just here doing my thing, man. This is all I've been doing. This is all I'm going to be doing, regardless of what results. It's just the same set of rules that applies. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. As simple as that, man. You get distracted when you look for other things other than your strategy, bro. That's it. Cut and dry, bro. If you're scared of taking a few SLs in a slot, we're not cut out for this then. I like to think of myself as, being cut out to trade because this takes a lot of guts to do. We're gonna do it day in and day out. God damn it, I'm gonna be here every morning, man, regardless of what happens here. The XY is gonna go up soon. Yeah, boys, we're not worried about the XY here. It's about to speak. Is it, bro? GK, how's it going, man? How's the day, bro? So the trick here is this. If I get a 3-on-3 setup at this point in the opposite direction, I'll have to take it, which means we will have to get off from here and then go there, um, which I'm gonna hate doing. But let's see. We have a 3-2-1. It's been formed. Let's see if we get another two candles from here. I hope we don't get it because lately 3 to 3 has been getting in the way of the stop on strategy. Let's see, boys. Don't give it, man. How's my brother awake at this point of time, bro? He never wakes up early, bro. 6:45. What's going on? I want to text him. Is you awake, bro? Yeah, thank God that's not a 3-on-3. Ooh, he's been hitting the gym in the morning. Nice, bro. I'm proud as well as jealous. Guys, going to the gym in the morning is the best thing that you can do. I love that feeling, but gotta work, bro. It was difficult. It was difficult. PA, I missed the first trade due to issue in the trade weight. Trade weight issues, bro. That's rough. Bro, ever since the Trump announcement, the price action is very choppy, like in gold, bro. Which announcement, man? Bro, it's sideways between 4115 and 4130. It has been a bit sideways, boys. That has been the trend this morning, but yeah, story doesn't change. Hi, bro, Kiran, how's it going, man? It's a Friday, boy. You know how many green Fridays I've had last month? Five, including including the month before. Yeah, man. I am in an entry, bro. This will be the last trade for stop on today, man. So let's see, bro. Still still in the red, but we'll see what happens, bro. Whatever happens, we'll have another trade for 3 and 3 today, and we'll take a much needed weekend. This morning, I also got hit because not because of the study, but I keep chopping around, and I feel it's going to hit my stop loss and want to exit early. Bro, if there's a stop loss set, man, Ray, never disturb it, bro. Your job is to analyze, maybe take a couple of trades with set stop losses, man. Having TPs, you know, taking partials or taking break evens is up to you. Uh, that's not bad, but moving your stop loss or actually exiting a trade early, that's not good, bro. What's the PNL for today? Are you green? No, man, I'm not green today, man. This PNL for today will not be determined right now because we still have two more trades, bro. So we never know, man. A 1 is to 20, the last 1 hour would change my whole month. So, Zerk, we're still waiting for today's closure, man. We're still in it, bro. In the fight until the last second. So we never know. If 1 is to 20 is a little ambitious. I love that question, bro. Let me show you data, man. Let's talk about data now. That's 1 is to 25 right there, my brother. That's in a single session, by the way. That's back to back three trades right there. 1 is to 25, 1 is to 12, and 1 is to 7. Caught 3 days back to back with the $50 SL. 1,135. Sweet, isn't it? That's what total of 1,976 in 3 days. Yeah, bro. And yeah, these are all small trades, but that's a 1 is to 23. You have proof on the channel itself. You can go look back at those dates. 27th of March. That's 1 is to 23. Thank you, man. There is a possibility, bro. I'm not trying to be rude here or something else. Please don't get me wrong, boys. There is big possibilities that's been caught in the past. Why not in the present, right? So that's the power of the 3 and 3 trades that I tell you guys about. And this is the wild thing, boys. That I missed, man. That I missed, bro. That was the worst day of my life because missing that is that hurts a lot, bro. So, guys, it is possible. One of these trades will change your whole life in a live account. So never lose hope, boys and girls. Just keep going. Rough days will come and go, but those days are destined, and those trades on the wall are proof that it can happen. It has happened. All of those trades are over 1 is to 30 rest rewards. Each and every single one of them. And I have five more to my, sorry, not five, 3, 6, 9, 12, 12 more to my left. So has happened, man. Yeah, bro, 1 is to 40 will retire a lot of people, bro. Trust me. So, boys and girls, it is possible. That's why I keep doing this, regardless of the amount of vessels we take. There is a flip side to it, right? Zerko, bro, there is a flip side, man. It doesn't come easy. To cash this is the data, bro. This is pure data. To cash this 1 is to 23, bro. I took 13 sales that month with that strategy alone, all right? It comes with a price. You gotta be willing to take the price. So to cash this 1 is to, so in this whole month, I only had three take profits, a 1 is to 5, a 1 is to 2, and a 1 is to 23. That's it, all right? Especially the next month was the hard part. You got to stick to the strategies, boys. See, I just got one take profit for the month of April for this strategy. And with 18 stop losses, man, 18, 1 8, you got to be willing to take the hits, like Rocky says, bro. You got to be willing to take it. Because the next month, look at how many losses I've taken before the month end, all right? So let's count this, man. The heck with the trading right now. So 1, 3, 4, that's 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 13 stop losses with just a 1 TP for the first 23 days of the month, right? That's 23 days of the month. And at the end of the month, imagine your mindset, what you're going through with the strategy if you get 13 stop losses and just one is to 3 TP. That's all that happened. And at the end of the month, three back-to-back good trades. That's 1 is to 25, that's a 1 is to 12, and that's a 1 is to 7. Three back-to-back good days with one SL. Boys, that's what? $1,900. So this is what it's gonna take, man. You're not gonna, it's all not rainbows and sunshine, boys. That's 18 SLs you gotta take, man. It's in the gut. You're doing this every single morning. If you're doing this full time, you're gonna hate your life for it. But goddamn, stick to it. Stick to your guns, stick to your stop losses. Make sure you don't move your damn stop losses and your strategy, man. Tell me if it's easy to be taking 18 stop losses in a row and still stick to your goddamn strategy, man. That's what I did. That's the reward for it, boys. I know this is I'm getting my fire in my belly right now. That's why the emotions, but that's the result of sticking to it because you gotta do it. Imagine if, even if you miss one trade, that's the cost. I missed that 1 is to 12 again at the end of the month. I missed that, man. My mistake. I was doing something that I wasn't supposed to. I was getting my flat tire fixed, which was not the time or the place to do it. But that changed the whole month. With that, 1 is to 12 for that month would have been glorious. That $625 missed. That would have been a green month for that strategy. So missing even one trade will change your whole month. This is why I keep telling you, boys, it doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter how many SLs you take. Don't change the strategies. You can refine it. Even that I don't suggest, but guys, keep doing it, man. All right, bro, this is insane. I didn't even know this was possible. Jacob, it's 100% possible, man. You just have to stick to it. The amount of vessels you have to take is, it'll kill your mindset, it'll kill your gut. You'll hate your life for it. But at the end of the day, boys, having those months, I've passed an account. I almost passed the second one, but I'm still in the fight, man. This is the story of my life, bro. Um, I'm in the red for the month. Big, big time. You guys can see this, right? Can you? Yeah, right there. I'm in the red. If my account goes $500 in, I'm sorry, 50% in the negative, I'm gonna tone down on risk, but I'm not gonna stop doing it, bro. Guys, the amount of accounts I've blown in the past, that's a story for another day, but I'm not gonna stop doing this. Guys, I don't do this for the live. I do this for the sake of doing it for myself. Live, I'm just showing it for you. This has been happening for the last 2.5 years. Right now, the only thing that changes, I've been doing this live so that even if it helps one person to learn one thing from what I do, that's victory for me, man. But other than that, I don't have ulterior motives to be doing this live. Yeah, maybe the end point, maybe a few dollars here and there, but Come on, man. I've been doing this for a while. If you show me a trader that has taken 18 losses in a month and just a 1 is to 3, I think that was 1 is to 5, and then he stuck on to that strategy, bro, I'll take my hat off for him, man. That takes hard to do. So, yeah, sorry about that rant, but that's what trading is about. That's what you should have in your belly in order to do this, man. How do you manage funded capital with this win rate? Bro, that's it, right? That's the risk management coming in, bro. I only risk 0.2%. So only $50 for that 313 strategy. Because the amount of, so let's say if I'm taking, so let's get into numbers, bro. If I'm taking 15 SLs in a row, right? 1 5, $50 per SL, how much is it? 500, $750 down, all right? $750 is down. But if I took that 1 is to 23 trade for that month, that's 1,000. God, my math is bad. Sorry. Hold on. It all comes down to the math, boys. So 1 is to 23, that's $50 SL. So $1,150. Even after taking 15 losses, I'm down 750. After taking one win of 1 is to 23, I'm up by $400 after that trade. So it's the math that comes into play. You got to stick to your stop loss regardless, and you got to stick to the risk that you're taking, right? So that's why I risk low on the 3 on 3 strategy. I know for a fact that I might get 18 SLs in a row. I got to make sure that I don't blow my account in the time being. You shouldn't be blowing your accounts, and that's where your risk management comes in. And with this strategy, boys, I only risk $100. That's 0.4% of the account size. Man, it is a long game. You got to understand that part. And even if I take 5 SLs in a row, that's just $500. One TP will give me 300. So almost to break even after 5 stop losses, right? So you just need one more trade to get break even. Boys, risk management, sticking with the goddamn strategy. Do these two things, you'll get them. I'm not the best trader in the world. I'm not even close to being the best of myself, but haven't blown the account. Not gonna do it anytime soon. All right. I still have almost 45, no, 55% of the drawdown to go, even to blow this one, which I'll doubt I will. But let's see, man. You guys gonna see the whole process live. I'm gonna be doing this no matter what. So even if you don't like the setups and whatnot, just subscribe and wait for the next 2 years. I'm going to be here. I'm going to be doing this. If you see six-figure payouts in the next 2 to 5 years, know that I've been through this much, taken these many SLs, and still lived through it to say the story about it. All right. All right. I respect that about you that you don't trade drawdowns without revenge trading. That takes something. Thank you, man. It's very difficult to follow. You're able to get that good trade. Am I about to take? Oh my God. I completely. Yeah, but I'll be very careful about the 3 on 3s. Boys, bro, you take the trade after the live. Yeah, man. Bro, guys, remember this. I'm trading for the whole Tokyo session, man. I can't be going live the whole 8 hours, bro. That's insane. I can't be talking for 8 hours straight, man. I'll kill myself. So I'm here for the first three and a half, sorry, 3 hours and 15 minutes. And the rest, of course, I'm trading, man. I'm a full-time trader, bro. I'm working the whole 8 hours. So of course I'm going to be taking trades, and I'm not going to give you the trades, man. This This is not to give trades to people. This is just to show the process. This is this is all there is to it. I'm not here to give trades to people. I don't do that because I want you guys to learn, just not to follow me blindly. That's not the whole point of this. All right. So I won't be giving. So I've been asked so many times to give trades on Discord. I'm not going to do it, bro. That's not me. I'm not going to sell my trades for money, man. Yeah, I'm okay to teach it. I might have a course soon. You can learn it from me, but damn it, I'm not going to sell my signals, bro. So there says, we support you. I believe you are good, my boy. SL part of market. Love you, bro. So that means a lot, man. Actually, it means a lot, bro. Thank you for saying that, man. Appreciate it, bro. You're only live during Asia. Yeah, man. I only trade Asia. So there, bro. Thank you, man. 5:30 coming in. Yeah, man. Every day, 5:30, I'm here, sitting here, bro. Regardless of how many SLs I take. I'm also drawdown 40% of my mass drawdown. Please revive me with you. I love the dedication, very inspiring. Thank you, bro. Guys, it means a lot. Man, this is all the data I gotta show. This is all I got. I'm not the best trader out there. You can follow anyone. This is just me, bro. Last month we were down $1,248, having a brutal month. Did take a few vacation days, did miss a few ones there, and that. But guys, it doesn't matter how many days you're here. But even if you miss a few days like these, it's gonna matter, right? That's why the month was negative. It should have been a break-even month, but it happened. May was really good. May was the month we passed the first and almost passed our second phase. That's $2,376. That was good. But it's all, as I always said, it's not always about rainbows and sunshines. 18 stop losses, 15 stop losses. You got to take these months too. Part of it, understand it. It's okay to be in the drawdown. Keep going, man. That's all I got to say, bro. Uh, because one stop loss or 10 stop losses is not going to kill you. You're still breathing. Just keep going, man. And share this template. Yeah, yeah, bro. There's a lot of my own data with this too. I do have a lot of my data, my shit going on the right. So, yeah, I will put out the template with. Okay, let's do that. So when I put my indicator on Discord, I'll also put my template there with my data, man. You can go backtest the data. You can go look at the data and all that stuff. Let me do it in the next 2 weeks. Okay, give me 2 weeks. I'll give you guys everything I have. So indicator I got, my data that I have, I'll give everything to you guys. As long as you guys learn about it, I'm happy, man. In India, using prop firm accounts, can you withdraw in India your profits? Absolutely, Dr. Kumar, you can do it. There is a few sorry, there is a few ways to do it. I've been seeing videos on what is it called? It's an app that they're using, man, but you need a current account to have that app. If when I get a payout, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to take it to Binance and then withdraw from Binance um, using some other methods, but I'm not going to take it into my bank account straight up, man. Not there yet, boys. What has better RR, your stop hunt strategy or the other one? Bro, better RR, it depends on the month, but stop hunt has the better RR. It should, because of the low risk to reward. It just has a 1 to 3 risk to reward, right? So it has to have the better RR. Uh, I mean, so better win rate. Oh, you're talking about RR, right? Sorry, boss, I'm with so much adrenaline right now because I've been talking about the past 6 months, which has been really rough, but I'm still here. Sorry, give me 1 second. In terms of RR, this is fixed, bro. With stop hunt, I just have a 1 to 3 fixed. It's not going to change no time soon, all right? But with the 3 on 3, the RR, the average has been around 1 to 12. That's the average. So I've got 1 to 23s, I've got 1 to 5s, 3s, and 8s, and whatnot. But the average has been around a 1 is to 12 to 1 is to 13. So the win rate is considerably different, man. With the 3 on 3, I don't look about win rates because as you guys saw, having 18 SLs and one take profit is not going to give you a win rate. Maybe 1% or 2% on that month. But the other month, pretty decent, not as bad, but um, those are the metrics you look at, right? The win rate, the risk to reward, as well as your risk per trade. These are the three things that you look for in a strategy, and if you want to be successful. Family first says, thank you, you're welcome. What about self-funded accounts? Dr. Kumar said, you can't trade gold or you can't trade Forex for that matter if it's not with an INR pair. So you can't trade Euro USD, okay, because it's paired with USD. You can only trade Euro with INR. That's legal in India. If you pair something else with adjacent with an INR currency, so again, Euro INR you can because it's paired with INR, but Euro with USD you can't. It has to be paired with an INR in order for you to trade legally in India. But that being said, that's for your personal account. But that being said, if you're with your funded prop firm, they don't care. You can do whatever you want. Thanks for the high five. If your 3 on 3 strategy yields better RR, why just not trade that exclusively? Bro, bad months, which I'm going to have, I don't want to blow my account, right? So the reason, good question, man. Great question, bro. Zuck, you see, initially, you see that, you see my chart, I mean, sorry, you see my journal, right? Initially, I only had 3 on 3 strategy, bro. From Feb, I only been, so this is my journal from Feb because before I was lazy to make a journal for the for 2 years, and then I started doing it again. So since Feb, I was only trading 3 on 3. So all this data that you see is only for 3 on 3, all right? And mid-April, I introduced stop hunt into the mix because I was having a month like this. So March had 13 stop losses on only 3 wins. Yeah, 1 is to 23 mattered, but what if I missed that, right? The account will be in drawdown. And the next month, I had 18 stop losses. What will happen to my account then? So I wanted a strategy like stop hunt to at least keep my account in break even. I don't want my stop hunt strategy to give me, funded accounts and payouts and whatnot. I just want to make sure that it gives me $600 to $800 profit every month in order to make my account survive with the 3 on 3 strategy. Because, guys, again, 18 SLs, what does that give me for that month? Hold on. So 18 SLs with $50, that's $900 right there, minus for the month. Okay. And having something like 3 on 3, stop hunt in the mix, which maybe at the end of the month, if it gives you $500 of profit, I'm only down $400, right? So it will not mess with my mind. It's just, I've just added that for my mindset, bro. It just helps me with my mindset, man, because taking SLs 18 times in a row is going to wreck you, bro. Because if this is all you do for a day, and if you only take 2 trades per day and wait, and both of those SLs are SLs, I'm sorry, both of those trades are SLs. If you have 10 days in a row, bro, you're gonna kill yourself, man. Bro, the amount of stress you're gonna be under as a full-time trader is gonna be immense, man. But if you have a stop and strategy like this, and if it gives you TPs here and there, you're surviving, bro. Your mindset is not as bad. And being a trader, guys, it's not easy in any sense. You gotta do it day in and day out. Yeah, it might look sometimes good like that, but majority of the time, boys, it's gonna suck, man. People just make it so sexy in Insta and YouTube and whatnot. They show all green accounts. Bro, 90% of it is fake. I'm not sure why you guys fall for all that crap because fell for those crappy things in the past. It's all it's not all fake, but 90% of it's fake, man. Yo, I saw someone post a video last week about this influencer, right? He's also an influencer. He got approached by a prop firm, which I'm not going to name. So he was approached by that prop firm saying, bro, listen, we're going to give you funded certificates, payout proof. All you have to do, show it to your followers. He, I think, had 40,000 or 50,000 followers. He's just a small creator comparatively to the other people. So he recorded that call and he put it on Insta, bro. If I find that, I'll show that video or I'll post it on Discord for you guys. But prop firms are giving people money to show fake things online so that other people will take their, challenges and make money. Boys, that's messed up, man. That's absolutely messed up. Being For me, I started me and my best friend, we were thinking about doing live just because of that reason. Because the amount of people that are fake out there, we used to follow someone online. Bro, he had one strategy with 4 hours, with a 4 hour time frame. He had very strict rules. His strategy will only allow one trade per day. Okay, he traded CRT during the New York session. Right, true story. He should only be getting one trade a day because of the extreme confluences that he had. But in the results, we were trading with him live, right? So same thing. What I'm doing right now, we were trading with him live. For him, he was taking SL's profits up and down, but not too much, man, because we were doing the exact same thing, same exact results. In his videos in YouTube, bro, he had all green days. Again, we're taking the same trades as him, right? All green days. He's been trading 26 to 27 trades every day, man. But his strategy should only be getting one or two max a day. That's it. How is he manufacturing 26 trades out of thin air, man? It doesn't work, bro. How can that happen? When you're following someone, so for him to follow him, in his premium channel, you got to pay $100 every month. And at a point, he made a fact that he's going to stop it, and then he made us pay $1,000 in order to follow him, which we did. So we paid almost $1,800 in the last 8 months to his channel and whatnot, and his team. And the amount of fake shit have been putting out for us to, give that money out was insane, man. That was the thing that drove us to do live. Because, guys, faking someone out for money, especially traders who are struggling like you and me, bro, that's the worst thing that you can do, man. It's worse than murder, bro, because you know how hard it is already, right? I know a lot of you guys are struggling with your family. You don't have the money. You want some extra money here and there to, take care of your family, your kids, your grandkids, and whatnot. And being with a trader who's 100% fake, who's been pushing out fake content just to make money out of you, is the most fucked up thing I've ever seen in my life. And it hit me so badly. Me and my best friend was so pissed about him because in the YouTube video he showed, bro, I'm gonna fucking show him, man. This this infuriates me, bro. I'm gonna show that bugger, bro. I'm gonna show those trades to you, boys. Sure. I didn't want to do this, but I'm so pissed, man. He has 26K subs, man. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Where is the let me show his greens, man, for the month. I can't see that, but guys, can you see the greens in the thumbnail? Hold on. You see these greens in the thumbnail, boys? Why can't I see the thumbnail? If he shows his profits, man, let me pull that video up. Bro, that's 100% fake, man. I've done it. You see all these greens, boys? 100% fake, man. I've been there, I've done that. Not that I'm bad mouthing someone else. It's just the fact that I was so angry because of all this. Yeah, man, boys. Sorry about the rant, but if if you're also a creator watching this, please don't backstab people, man. Please don't do it because when you do it, you never know who's in the other side of it. Because yeah, I survived that. I'm here. I might, do it for the long term. I have people in my background who support me. You had my brother today on the stream. He'll do whatever it takes to keep me alive in terms of funding and whatnot. And I also have my best friend, my family. They'll take care of it. But there are people who are doing this with their life savings, who are doing this because they want to survive in their life. If you're a fucking creator watching this, don't do it to them, man. That's all I'd say, bro. Um, Sorry, boys. Again, another rant today. I'm gonna read the comments. I don't know who's best, but I know there is very less who's real here, bro. But you're the one who's completely real here. In fact, you're not hiding anything. There's big things, anyone. Thank you, man. Sudhir, bro. Thanks, man. Alvin, thank you, bro. He says you nailed it. That sell off, let's go. Ray, yeah, man. I missed the entry on this. Is it too late now? Zerko, it's gone, bro. Forget about it, man. We'll catch the other trades, man. Don't worry, bro. You get target in the trade, everyone going to appreciate you. You should always remember SL is first. Guys, exactly, man. I did take an SL. I wasn't afraid to take the next trade, even if it looked like if it looked like that. That was a 6:30 a.m. candle entry, which I haven't worried about taking because that sits with my strategy, man. Even now, boys and girls, I don't worry about where this goes because at the end of the day, if all that matters is whatever happens after this, all I'm going to do is enter in this sheet. That's all is going to happen. I'm going to enter it in the sheet. Think about trading like that. It's all the data that you're collecting right now is just in live. That's the flip side to it. Okay, so don't stress about entries, exits. God, I missed it. I'm going to kill myself. All that shit. No, man. It's okay. You're going to have 1,000 trades a year, bro. Take a trade. Forget about the SL and the TP. You're going to be good, man. Bro, how many trades you took after the live and your maximum trades in a day? Bro, all I take in a day is 4 trades, man. That's the max I get to take in a day, bro. Yesterday, me and my best friend we were talking about the fact that I only take. So if my first trade is TP, I stop that strategy, right? We were talking about yesterday. We were saying uh, if the first trade is TP, what happens if we take the second trade? The worst thing that would happen is we could lose $100, but the best thing that would happen is we can add another $300 to the mix. So that's $600 for the day. So we are debating this. We have backtested 1 month with this scenario of taking 2 trades no matter what, even if it's a TP or an SL. So that's also in the pipeline. I'm not sure if I'm gonna apply that to the live trading yet. I might not, who knows? But that being said, I'm gonna backtest that. We're gonna backtest that today. If the first trade is TP, why not take the second trade itself? Excuse me. So in a day I only get to take 4 trades. That's the max I get to take, right? 2 trades per strategy, that's it. Whatever happens, I stop trading. If it's on camera, off camera, whatever that is, I do it, right? Can I trail the stop loss to break even? I entered with 0.05, 25K on the instant. Bro, guys, again, it's totally up to you, man. If you feel that it's an instant account, you want to trail it to stop, break even, 100% up to you. But I give my trades room to breathe because you never know when price will come back, take your break even and then fall, or take your break even and then go to a sell. My trading style is different, boys and girls. But I leave it up to you, man. You're more than welcome to understand the mechanics of my strategy, apply it with your own confluences, your own take profits and own SLs. You can play with it, man, right? So it's up to you, bro. Sorry, I can't advise you on that, man. What mentor helped you trading the most? Bro, I did actually it was my best friend's mentor. Stop hunt strategy was his. It's not mine, man. I'm gonna be honest here again. Stop hunt is not my strategy. He had a different name to it, different spin to it. Again, we have made a few tweaks here and there, but it's our own. It's not our own, but 313 is my own, bro. Built from the scratch. It's something that I saw in the market that's been happening. So I'll give credit to him. He's a Tamil trader, so good strategy he had. The stop and one. We learned it from him. We're applying it in life. So yeah, man. So this says, bro, I booked 4110. Thank you, bro. You're welcome, man. I'm glad you booked TP, man. Vishal, how's it going, bro? Good morning, man. Yeah, boys. Passionate topics this morning. So I had to pour my heart out. Hope you guys didn't find that, too much. Because guys, some days, man, it's not easy, bro. It's not easy to do what we're doing. But to get through those days, man, you have to remember where you came from. And you got to understand that it's not going to happen in one day. You're not going to have all greens like that guy. I don't know what he's doing, bro. 26 trades in a day and faking people out with 1 or 2 trades in life. That's fucked up. So sorry, I don't usually swear, but apologies. Passion coming out. One suggestion, like have 25 instant accounts. So there's 2% drawdown and final 4%. So you have to go with it. Like how to achieve the 4% or 5% return from this account. Is it possible? Bro, it is possible, man. Me and my best friend were talking about this, about taking an instant account. Bro, if your risk management and your risk to reward is on point, you'll be okay with the account, man. You can take instant account, boys and girls. It's all about having the perfect risk management and the discipline to apply it. Once you don't over risk per trade, you can make profits out of it, man. Make sure you don't risk much. 0.2% to 0.4% is where you sit in terms of risk. Have a minimum 1:3 risk to reward. If you have a strategy like mine, which can go to 1:25, amazing. But try not to, over risk on the account, bro. Tell us more about your trading journey. It's very interesting because we're also through those scammer mentors. Bro, I've seen multiple people like that, man. It's just not one that guy, man. I'm going to be honest, bro. Multiple people like that, bro. Um, at the end of the day, boys, understand this. You don't have to learn everything from me. You don't have to do everything that I do. Get one or two things from me, man. Some things you might feel that I'm doing right. It might be the number of trades I take. It might be the risk management I have. It might be the mentality that I have. Anything, bro. Just take one or two things and apply it in your trading, okay? And keep doing it with multiple people, man. Don't just watch me, watch other people too. Try to learn one or two things. That's what I did. The mentality I have today didn't come from yesterday or day before. I've been building this for the last 9 years, bro. It's a whole process, right? In that 9 years, I've been watching multiple people trying to learn different strategies, from other people. So all I do is, if I'm watching someone, I'd like to take one or two things from them and then apply it in my trading. Remember those one or two things. Someday, bro, that one thing will change your whole life because you applied it to your strategy, right? So all you guys want to do, watching someone, I know it takes a lot to sit and watch someone talk for 3 hours straight. I know it takes a lot. Consistently, 50 people, you guys are doing it. Even after I've been taking SLs right, left, and center for the last week. Appreciate that, but that's not easy. I understand that, but at the end of the day, that's not going to make you money. But understanding and applying one or two things from me is going to help you in your trading journey, right? So, guys, keep doing it. It's good that you're watching, but get one or two things that's good and then apply it in your life as well as your trading, man. Guys, trading is the best thing that you can do for yourself, your bank account, and your life emotionally, bro, because this will teach you a lot of patience. And for me, I think this is what is teaching me patience. And I have to be patient with my mom because sometimes, bro, she can be very tough. Yeah, this is teaching me patience, man. So it doesn't only help my bank account and also my life, bro. So learn from it, apply some things, man. They complex if copy a trade in 20 accounts. Bro, he's not doing copying, bro, because I know him. I watched him for 6 months straight. Bro, he's not copying trades for those 26 trades to come in. No, 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 no. He's definitely bloody doing something else, but I'm not sure. Hats off to him though. Even if you take 26 trades and then be green for the day, hats off to him, bro. But say that out live, right? Say that out, bro. This is what I'm doing. Yeah, I am taking 26 trades. Yeah, that's how I make myself green. Then I understand. Then I'm totally fine with it. But if you're saying this is my strategy, I take one to two trades a day, and then this is the profits I have, all green. That's fake, man. I can't believe that, right? It's okay that you take these many trades. Be honest about it. Be open about it. Yeah, boys, this is what I do. This is what's happening. This is what you can do to replicate my results. That's what I look for. That's completely fake, man. The market will first goes to green candle. Uh, that's 7:30 already. It's so dark in here. I'm getting my tea break call. Hold on, boys. Yellow. Hello? 2 minutes. Sorry, boys. Uh, Hold on. You can print a lot of money. Guys, have you seen them? Callisto, right? Printing money. I've also followed him, bro. Again, another scammer, man. 100% another scammer, bro. Listen, if you're going break even after 10 pips, bro, you gotta lose your mind, man. Look, we catch 3,600 pips with our trades, bro. If you go to break even in 10 pips, I'll blow my account within 2 months. Sorry, within 10 days. Bro, he's hilarious, man. If you don't know Callisto, I think most of you guys would have seen this, man. Callisto FX. This guy. Hold on. That guy right there, bro. The mask guy, man. Hilarious, bro. Even I followed him. Me and my best friend, we got his, what do you call? Hold on. I don't see his face here. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen him. This guy right here, man. Did he show his face, bro? I'm surprised that he did. That's him, bro. We also followed him. Excuse me. We got his premium and all that. Guys, we've done a lot. This is not. He's one of those guys, man. Wow, you have 9 years experience in trading. That's really amazing. Yeah, bro. I've been trying to learn this for 9 years. 3 years of doing part time. Now it's been what, 2.5, almost 3 years for full time too. So it's been a minute, man. We we do a session like some voice talk on Saturday or either Sunday on Discord. Yeah, I've been asked that for a while now, boys. I will think about it, man. I understand that request, but usually I reserve my Saturdays and Sundays for my family. I don't even carve out 1 or 2 hours per day, but so I will think about it, bro. Valid request though. I'll give me this weekend. I'll think about it. I'll get back to you, man. Thank you, bro. A lot of scammers and show offs. Totally agree. Oh my God, I forgot about 313 strategy, man. I hope I don't get a setup here with 3 on 3 because I'm gonna sell with this. What's your opinion, bro, in funding pips only? Right now, man, my account is down, bro. My account is down by almost $1,500. Uh, Sorry, $1,200, bro. That's for this month. Earn exactly. Dr. Kumar has also been there, man. Earn money by linking to broker. Yeah, he used to do it. We used to pay for that. We used to have money in that broker, so that's how he earns money. Yeah, I don't think so, bro. Shiv, 1 second, boys. 7 a.m. candle. There's a 3 on 3 at 7 a.m. Oh, for God's sakes. How would I miss that? Ah, damn. Boys, shit. Too much passion, man. We missed the 3 on 3 right there, bro. I'm gonna take this off for this second. That's the 3 on 3 right there. That should have been a trade. Oops. Sorry, man. I'm just gonna. Oh, I hope it comes back. Oh, come on. What was that? 21.50. I should have been 2.40. That should be the entry. Stop loss is 6.3. Guys, that should have been an entry right there, man. That should have been a shot. Oh, shit. I hate this, bro. That's 300 pips. I'm gonna put this either way. I'm gonna keep a order there if it comes back. They're about 1/6 lot. Ah, shoot. Sorry, boys. I missed a 3 on 3 right there. You see this? 3, 1, and then 3. That's the entry right there. That should have been the entry. I'm so pissed right now. 0.16 odds. I hate it, man. I hope he comes back. Even if he gives me an SL, I'm fine with it. 0 point, sorry. 0.16. I'm sorry, boys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, put that entry, but if he comes back, that's amazing. I hope he does. That should have been a trade, boys. Ah, God. That sucks. How far did he go to? He didn't go far enough. So I have that in there. That's the supply. That should have been the tap and then fall. All right. I'm not going to beat myself up for it. We had a good conversation. That's fine. Back after tea. Guys, I'm going to take a tea break here. I'll be back after tea, man. Thank you. Thank you for being patient, boys and girls. I know there's a few questions here. I'll come back and take it. Sorry, boys. My family's waiting. I'll be back. All right. And that is a limit order sitting there. I hope price comes back, even if it's an SL. I don't mind, but I want that tapped. Hopefully, it does come back to tap it. See you, boys, in a bit. All right.
blown away. Nice. Eventful D that was, isn't it? We got taken in as well, taken out. Nice.
Hi, boys. I'm back. Oh, that's good, man. At least we got an entry, bro. I was very sad that we missed that, but that's good, man. That's good. So this stop and trade will be the last one for today, bro. Maybe an early day off, man. So where was that 5 minute trade? Short. We went short there. Take profit was there. I'm still in this though. Let's wait and watch. Sorry, boss. I did miss a lot of questions. I'll get back to it. Okay. Why you only trade A's in session? Isn't it odd timings? Zach, bro, Asia for me starts at 5:30 in the morning, bro. That's the best session a trader can trade in terms of timing because it gives you a lot of discipline to wake up and then do it, man. I'm sorry if you're not still here, man, but um, sorry for the late answer for the question. This is my sixth year in trading and my family had enough. At least you have understanding family. But mine is that they won't know how much you trade till now. Bro, they'll always want to know how much you trade, how much you make, what are you doing with your life, and all that kind of stuff, bro. At the end of the day, bro, all that matters is you. If you like doing it, if you think that you can get better at it and keep working on it, just keep doing it, Ray. Yeah, Zerk, bro. Yeah, man, I am using a 303 indicator, man. I started following you this week. I'm enjoying you here. Amazing day today. Booked 120 pips. This is not unless others start calibrating after 30 to 40 pips. Even that, you're still sitting with peace. Thank you, man. So then, bro, appreciate it, man. Um, I haven't booked anything today. Even then, man, I accept my fate, bro. It's fine if I get stop losses in a row in a day. I know there is the grass on the other side is greener. I have seen those green days, two back-to-back TPs with stop hunt as well as 313s. So I like to remember myself that, sorry, I like to remind myself that it is possible. I have done it. I've almost passed two stages. Just a matter of time. So just keep waiting, right? Should I enter price tab the level now? Or should I take this one? Bro, it's 100% up to you, bro, Zerk. Because if I tell you something, you're going to be disappointed if it goes to stop loss. If I tell you not to take it, it's going to go to take profit and you'll be very pissed even for that. We never know what market's going to do. These are the trades I take. I leave it up to you people to learn, to apply, to grow, or switch channels, right? I mean, it's up to you, boys. Zerk, thank you, bro. Am I calling you right, man? Zerk. Is that, or should I call you Zerko, bro? Uh, tell me, man. Bro, are you in master kind of phase two, man? I'm in phase two, bro. Still there, bro. Still in the rut. What's the indicator, man? Zerk, I haven't given it out yet, man. It's just the indicator that my best friend built for me. I will give it out in the next couple of weeks, bro. So if you're not, Zerk, if you're not in Discord yet, you can go ahead and join, bro. That's where I'm going to give out the indicator. I'm not going to charge you guys anything for that. It's just going to be free, man. But the next couple of weeks, all right? I'll call you Zoko, bro. Zoko. I like that, man. Thank you, man. And you welcome. Welcome to the channel, bro. And the stream. We do have a good community, bro. all helping people here. Around 170 people now, I think, in Discord. So doing good, boys. Guys, this will be the last trade for today, period. Whenever this is done, I'll be done trading for the day itself. I was going to do something. Someone joined Discord. The name is in Urdu. Sorry, I can't spell that. Welcome to Discord. And I hope that's Urdu because it looks like it. Zerko, is that you, man? Welcome, bro. Welcome. Nice of you to join, man. It's Arabic. I'm mixed. Apologies, man. I thought it was Urdu, but welcome, bro. Welcome. Guys, if this goes to SL, right, my account will go below 50% in drawdown. Right now, we're at 7415. But why is this so zoomed in? Yeah, there you go. Right now, the trade is running, but if this trade decides to go towards the SL and take it, my account will be down 50% in drawdown. Then I'm going to reduce the risk. I'm not going to risk 100%, I mean, $100 per trade. I'm going to be reducing it to $50 per trade. That's how you do it. When you are 50% in drawdown, in order to not blow your account, to get back to break even and then go from there, I'm going to reduce the risk to 50% of what I usually take. So this is how you should be handling your accounts. It's okay to be in drawdown, but it's not okay to be taking, you know, God trades and whatnot. Just have no SL and then take a trade. That's not how you should be handling drawdowns. Don't lose hope. Keep doing it. One day it'll come, man. Bro, what's your biggest losing streak and winning streak? Good question, bro. My biggest, excuse me, losing streak was back in 2024, I think, start of 2024. Bro, I got 36 stop losses in a row, man. Mind you, with small risk, 36 stop losses. I think I was risking $80 at that point, $80 per trade, but took 36 stop losses in a row, bro. Then got a TP. That was my worst losing streak. My best winning streak, excuse me, was this. This was the best winning streak so far. That's four back-to-back TPs in 4 days. That was sweet taking that, bro. This was in stop on strategy. This was in May, early May. But that was lovely, man. Look at that. How much was that? That's $1,000 in a matter of 4 days. Lovely, bro. That I think that was the best week of my trading career. And of course, man, these days, yeah, these 3 days also were beautiful. So it's good patches are smaller here and there, but bad patches are bigger. So that's why you have to protect your account and whatnot, and keep the account alive as long as possible because you never know when you're going to catch a 1:25. When you do, you're passing the account in that on one trade, bro, regardless of where your account was, most probably. So funded hive. Um, I'm sorry, bro. I'm not sure what that is. What is funded hive, man? I need to go now, man. You have a great day. What's your name, lol? Zarko, bro. See you tomorrow, man. My name is Arvindan, bro. Arvindan Rangaswamy. You can call me Arvind. 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 Okay. My Canadian friends call me Arvin. Arvin because it's hard for them to pronounce my name. Anything works, man. Like you said. Yeah, bro. Winning streaks again. Only patient. I just saw that message. Those two, man. Uh, those two blocks of trades, 4 days in a row, and then three amazing trades in a row with 3 on 3. Best, bro. Because of those, I passed my account, man. The first phase, and also passed my second account, which due to my foolishness, I couldn't manage. But it's okay. You trade in funded hive? No, bro. I trade in funding pips. So this that you guys saw is funding pips. This is C trader, and this is funding pips. All right. All the screenshots that you see in the Discord again is funding pips. So you see these? That's funding pips, bro. Everything I take is in funding pips. I just got news, man. One of my aunts passed away today. Um, she had cancer, bone cancer. That's a tough one. Yeah, man. She's gonna be missed. So how to get there after this? This will be my last trade. Yeah, bro. That's messed up. So let's see. Thanks. I have to leave now for a meeting. Dr. Kumar sir, always a pleasure having you here. See you tomorrow. See you next week. See you Monday. Tomorrow's the weekend, right? Yeah, tomorrow's the weekend. See you Monday. Thank you so much. 1 second, boys. IGT. I need $20 to pass the account. That's awesome, bro. Let me know when you do, man. I'll congratulate you, bro. That's good, man. 10K account, bro. Any account, if you pass, doesn't matter, man. That's awesome. Abdullah, hi, bro. How's it going, man? Yeah, my best friend is just asking about my aunt. Excuse me. Oh, boys, we never know what's gonna happen. Let's see. Let's make it aesthetically pleasing. There you go. Much better, ain't it? And guys, I did, I did watch Morty and Rick yesterday. Morty. And Rick, yeah, I spelled it right. Oops. Sherry told me to. I did watch it. Fun, man. Really fun, bro. It's a Netflix, so I watched a couple of episodes. I loved it, man. I'm gonna watch this, bro, every day. It's funny, quirky. It's awesome. So you guys check it out too, man. It's been a long time since I laughed from a series, bro. Last time I was laughing was from Friends, and Big Bang Theory. I love those series. It was nice. Thank you, man, Abdullah. God gives your aunt best place in heaven. Thank you, man. Means a lot, bro. She was struggling, bro, but she was lucky enough to see a second daughter's marriage. She was very, she was holding on, man. She was holding on for that wedding to happen. It did last month, so it's good, bro. I'm pretty sure she's happy in heaven, man. I have to get there. Gotta do the last rites and stuff. So means a lot, man. Alvin, bro, it's up to you, man. I don't suggest take it or not, but I'm in it for better or worse. If it's gonna TP or sell, I don't mind. I'm in it, bro. It's just data for me at the end of the day. Can you guys hear that? Those are crores. So I'm funding 100% vintage strategy. Madam, finding 100% vintage strategy? Which one, bro? You found one and you sad about it? 100% win rate? Can you share that with me, man? Because that is a unicorn, brother. What happened, man? Put me on the loop, bro. Hold on. I don't have his name here. So, at which time you eat your breakfast? Bro, Abdullah, I have breakfast at 9, bro. Sorry, 9:30. I get downstairs to the house at 9 and then have my breakfast at 9:30, 9:40, man. Lunch at sharply 1, dinner at around 8:30, bro. So that's my food timings, man. Oops. Excuse me. My old job, bro, I worked with a fintech firm. So it's foreign exchange. So if a company wants other country currencies, it's our job to give access to them, right? So foreign exchange, bro, huge firm out of Canada. Hated every second of it. And trading started paying me more than what I was making there. And I was like, the hell with this. I'm off to India. Yeah, bro. That was my old job. Blew the account when I was $8 away from my target. Thought I should take one mini NQ, 1 point mini NQ, $20. He did not give me that. Nice advice, bro. GK Trade goes, do not get into random trades now. I blew the account when I was $18 away from my target. I thought I should take one mini MNQ. At one point in NQ is $20. I did not get that. Great advice, man. Boys, I did the same, bro. I'm not, I'm also a human being. Uh, 3 weeks, no, 29th of May. Yeah, I closed my trade prematurely thinking I hit, I hit the profit target for the account or the second phase. So I passed the account. And then I realized the target is 1250, not 1200. And I realized that it was too late. I was so angry with myself that I revenge traded and lost $300 in a matter of 5 minutes. And ever since, my account has been coming down slowly but surely. So, boys, I completely understand that, man. Because I'm taking breakfast while watching you daily. Bro, I'm in India, bro, so my time is different. Um, Tokyo, right? Tokyo starts for me at 5:30 in the morning, so it can be different for you. Nice question, though. Nice. Were you in Canada? Yeah, man, I was there for 6.5, almost 7 years. I was in Toronto for a bit. No, for the whole thing. Lived across Toronto, bro. Etobicoke, Mississauga, North York. You tell me, man. I've lived all across Toronto, bro. Good place. Very cold. Ah, okayish people. It was nice. Oh, 30 minutes difference between you and me, Abdullah. That's good, bro. If you don't mind me asking, bro, where are you from? Refer me for job. Bro, getting into Canada is not easy, man. You They won't sponsor you that easily if you want to go there straightly for a job. So in order to get in, you need to go in as a student, get a couple of years worth of degree, and then get the 3-year visa in order to settle there, bro. Going there directly, I've never seen people come there directly for jobs. Yeah, they've taken PRs and come there, but not come there with a job, right? But if I had an option, I'd definitely refer you, bro. Don't worry. Canada is in my past, man. I might travel there to visit. I do have friends there still. Yeah, man, that's That's the best. Love from Pakistan. We're neighbors, bro. I love that, man. Job situation is not great in Canada. I am, bro. I've been out of touch, man. So I'm not sure, but it might be. Ah, bro, let it be. Bro, I think 34 of us are broke as hell. Just kidding. 33 of you guys are watching, and you can count me in that. So we're all broke, bro. Don't worry, man. We'll get to a ton of profits slowly but surely, bro. Guys, I'll be here for another 35 minutes, and then I'll bugger off. Um, I won't be taking any trades after this. This is my fourth trade for the day. So I'll be done trading for today. It falls to 4,100. What then, bro? Yeah, 4,100. Yeah. You're talking about somewhere there? Slow and steady wins the race. Absolutely, bro. Yeah, bro. Trade is active, man. It's been going on for a bit now. So we took it here, saw a drop, come back, and now just dancing around entry point. We we only traders work. What's happening? I can't touch this. I'm not able to see that message, bro. Yeah. We only traders work our asses off. True, bro. I totally agree, man. People think being a trader or being an entrepreneur is easy. You get to do whatever you get to do at any point of time. That's what they say. But we're the ones busting our asses for 15, 16 hours a day. Yesterday, again, I was working until 9 p.m., actually 9:20. So I woke up at 5 o'clock and then started work at 5:30. Had maybe 4 hours of break yesterday in between. How many hours is that? I can't even count that. It's 13 to 14 hours of work, man, yesterday alone. So, boys, being a trader is that's not easy. We do work our asses off for very little money for the first 4, 5 years. And then when we start getting money, bro, people will say we're overnight success, man. I find it hilarious, bro. That overnight has been coming for 9 to 10 years. I mean, no, bro. This is it. This is it. This is all I do now, man. Bro, Salim, bro, I did tell you, man, that trade is active, bro. I told you, man, I took that trade there at around 6:30, man. It's still running. Do you want to see? I'll show you, bro. Not here to do something else. Look at the left. I'm pretty sure you can see this, right? Hold on. Yeah, right there. Running at minus 300 pips. Stop loss at 1,030 pips. Take profit has been already set at $300. That's 1 is to 3, 4, 3,074 pips. So, as you can see, the damn trade is run. I will let it run until it gets tired and goes to TP or SL. So, buying at 4,124 and then went off. You got your TP, bro? That's awesome, man. So you passed the account, bro? Yeah, I'm just waiting, waiting for the answer. I think he was waiting for $20 to pass the account. Now he said he got his TP, so he should have passed it. Nah, that was on funded on futures account. Ah, okay, got it, bro. IGT. Uh, Gulbuddin, bro, this is a shot, man. I'm in a shot, bro, but it's up to you what you want to take, man. He's asking, should I go for up or down? Good question, bro. I love that. Oh, CFDs, you need $20. All the best, man. You'll get it, bro. Just don't like GK Trade said, bro. Don't jump the gun. If you just need $20, just wait for your next setup that naturally comes through and then take it. Don't do the mistake like we did, man. Even I hopped in on something that I should not have and got my account back to break even and then some. So you'd rather wait for your next setup, bro. Take it properly, man. Don't rush it, my brother. Your time will come, bro. Nice to see you. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Maynard, hi. Welcome, welcome. I blew five trading accounts last year. I was only $500 away from reaching my target and qualifying for $15,000 payout. Oh, wow. Ali, bro, that's rough, man. Rizwan, hi, man. Welcome, welcome, bro. I'm sorry, man. I didn't catch your name, but I do have your name here, man. Apologies for that. Bro, this is about to get funded and I just needed $4. You're very close to getting funded on both those things, man. All the best, bro. Just don't jump the gun on it. Let's see, boys. It's dancing around entry. We never know. What? I just took trade, forgot lot size was high and nearly lost 5% again. Up now. We told you. Be careful about the lot sizes, bro. My friend blowed two accounts this week, 10K accounts. Yeah, man, that's rough, bro. Two accounts in a single week. Man, he's doing something wrong with in terms of risk management or strategy. I won't blame the strategy as of yet without knowing the details, but tell him to look at the risk, man. Yogesh, yeah, man, I am sitting on a sell entry, bro. But guys, again, please don't just enter because I have done it. Try understanding it, try backtesting it, and then try executing it yourself, boys. Shall I enter the sell? Bro, if I knew, bro, I'd be a millionaire, man. If you enter the sell now, I'm not sure what's gonna happen, bro. It could go either way, man. Like I said before, if it goes to TP, if I say not to enter, you'll be pissed. If I tell you to enter, if it goes to a sell, you'll be pissed. Bro, I'm not gonna tell you guys anything. It's already up to you guys. Okay, IGT, man. Wait for it, bro. Boys, again, try not following me blindly, man. That doesn't work, bro. Because right now it has a 70-30 chance, bro. No, 60-40, I could say, because it's halfway there. Yeah, guys. I have a long day ahead of me, man. Abdullah says if DXY goes up, gold will fall badly. Yeah, man. I've crossed that point of hoping, bro. At this point, it's just watching and then maybe complaining for 10 seconds and then getting back to normal. Because that is it, right? Excuse me. Yes, sir. Sell side is a good choice. BDC will hit 64, 460. Will it? Nice. It's pushing up now. Gold sell side. Yeah, but I'm sitting in it. I'm watching the Mentalist series and it's amazing. Bro, I used to love the Mentalist, man. If you guys haven't watched it, uh, hold on. Mentalist. Bro, I loved that series, man. I was so sad that it was over. But bro, no spoilers, but you'll hate the ending, man. They ended it because it wasn't complete, bro. The amount of suspense they build, the ending will be like, eh. But bro, loved every minute of it, man. I absolutely love that series. I think Mark is waiting for Trump, Iran war news. That's why he's going up and down, seeing eye when something happens in Iran. Yeah, bro. What do you think of Iran war? Man, I think very bad, bro. I don't know why we have wars these days, man. In those days, they had wars for borders and whatnot to raise races, I guess. But oil is just a commodity, bro. Why do you fight for it? And they say it's about nukes, but come on, man. It's just silly, bro. I'm very against killing people, man. Especially when they've not done anything, and the civilians and even other people. That's messed up, bro. I was a big I was a big fan of Trump when he came in. I was actually rooting for him because the policy he had in terms of building a wall and protecting his country was good. Trimming the government is the best thing that he can do to, save a country. These are all good ideas, man. But everything else, bro, is just bonkers, man. We don't talk politics much, but bro, that's messed up, man. Wars are not good, bro. All right, boys, it's time to get this over with. Almost there. Not stopped out yet, but let's see. Yeah, stopped out, man. That's it, guys. That's the four trades for today. Not sure why this hasn't stopped me out, but in futures, I've been stopped out, man. What is very profitable, unfortunately, for some countries. Agree, bro. Guys, I'm not sure, but I've been stopped out. How and why? I'm thinking myself. Because in spot, price hasn't taken it, but in futures, it has wildly. Wait, what? If you reverse from here, bro, I'll be very pissed. Like Republic Japan? Why the hate on Japan, man? Yeah, boys, I've been stopped out. Officially, the account is in 50% brown. What a week we've had, man. What a week. Yeah, bro. That's what, $920 down for the week. I'm sorry, not for the week. It's 720 here. It's another 300. That's $1,020 down for the week, man. That's a rough week, boys. That's the last trade for today, man. I'm here for the next 13 minutes. So any questions, shoot. After that, I'm gone. Initial reactions were amazing, but it had to go back and take it. And now it looks like it's reversing, man. In spot, it didn't take the stop loss. In futures, it did for me. Yeah, bro, that's been taken out convincingly, man. I'm gonna hate it if now it goes to TP, bro. Ray, no clue about inversions, man. I know what that is, but I don't trade that. What if taken the opposite trades? Yo, I do think about that sometimes. We did try it a year back. Like whatever trade comes that's taken opposite, even that didn't work, bro. Because if you took the opposite, you'd be taken out here, right? Even if it's a 1:1. So yeah, man, it won't work, bro. I've done it. I've done it. I've tried it. Try not doing it, bro. It's gonna suck. You're gonna hate your life. Make the position smaller and make the stop loss. bigger, less likely to get stopped out. Yeah, man, but I'm not gonna do that, bro. Negative RRs, I'm not a big fan of it, man. We'll stick to the strategy, boys. We have that for a reason. We have the data for the reason. It's gonna work out. All right, boys. Another 9 minutes, and I'll bug it off. Imagine if we bought the thing from the bottom, we could have, eh? We could have been up. Do you think higher time frame is where the money is at? A lot of people think, man, it is. I'm new here, looking forward to learn your strategy and trade management. Welcome, welcome to the live stream. Yeah, bro. The strategy links are on the chat. Risk management, yeah, you'll have to, go through the sessions for it. But thank you for joining, man. And also, if you have any questions, I'm open to it. And also, if you've joined, you can also join Discord. I'm pretty much available there, man. Yo, bro, I'm late today. I'm doing good, man. How are you, bro? 1 second, boys. Sorry, man. Market no go anywhere, no problem next time. So you're doing good. Thank you so much, man. Means a lot, bro. Yeah, boys, that's done for today. Rough week, but we'll get back to it next week. But we are below 50% in drawdown. So what I'm going to do is, so the max, so this is a 25K account, right? So how much is it? 25K, $2,500, $2,500 to $2,250. So I'm more than 1,250 down. So moving forward, boys, I'm going to half the risk in terms of stop hunt, but the risk will be same for 3 on 3 because it's already at $50. So it's not bad. So risking 0.2% per trade is going to be the thing that we're going to be doing moving forward. It's okay to be in drawdown, but it's not okay to keep the risk as is. Um, because I'm not planning to blow this account anytime soon. This is the second phase, which should have been passed. So not happening under my watch. Blowing accounts are done for a long time. So if you have any questions, put it down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll say sayonara in a bit. One second. And guys, I've canceled the Delhi trip because my ticket wasn't confirmed. Yeah, so I'm gonna be home this weekend. All right, boys. I will sign off. I'm 3 minutes early today, but I have to make a call. All right. Thank you so much for voicing, boys. I love the support. I'm glad that you guys understand, and thank you so much for being here. Means a lot to me. I hope you guys have a great weekend because I'm going to relax and forget about this week altogether. I hope you guys do too. So, if you have any questions, text me in Discord. I'll see you guys Monday. Take care, man. This is Arvind signing off. Bye.